My favorite thing about the Eastwood is the centers.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is going outside to play.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is my friends.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is all the teachers.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is that everybody is kind.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is the teacher.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is my friends.
Thing is at Eastwood is playing.
Oh, hi. My favorite thing at Eastwood is all the nice welcoming staff and students. Favorite thing about Eastwood has to be the band.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is all the sports and activities we have.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is the kind teachers.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is that there's a lot of nice people and teachers.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is that it makes our brain smarter. We learn lots of new things in math, science, history, social studies, and lots of new ways, and lots of art. My favorite thing about Eastwood is that we have a ton of activities.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is the respect our teachers treat us.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is gym.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is art.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is art.
Thing is the teachers.
Favorite thing about Eastwood is the people here. They're really nice and friendly.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is the different spirit days we have, like Challenge Cup and Carnival.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is how the staff always acts nice to us and always help us.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Winkler, and my favorite thing about Eastwood is the sense of community that we have with the open concept.
The thing I like most about kindergarten is the fact that we can do beautiful artwork through literacy.
My favorite thing about Eastwood is the fact that we can come to our library and take books out. The kids also have the opportunity to further their reading skills by using programs such as BookFlix or PebbleGo on their iPads or on the smartboard, as well as a community connection where the Windsor Public Library comes and brings their bookmobile so the students can take books out of the library from the public library as well as from Eastwood School to share with their family and friends.
I love the outdoor learning with our children in JKSK. We love to bring the learning either outdoors for them on beautiful days, or sometimes we'll bring the outdoor learning inside so they can explore everything that there is in nature and just to help them expand their learning to further inquiry. It's just it's just so much fun and amazing to watch them learn how nature can be a part of their full day learning as well.